Taikisha Pune, accelerating growth through diversification. Taikisha Pune is an extension of Taikisha Engineering India Limited, TEIL, a subsidiary of Taikisha, Japan. Located at Kondapuri village of Pune district, the setup was established in 2007 to facilitate Taikisha's sheet metal forming, fabrication, paint shop, traction transformer for high-speed trains and sub-assemblies of engineering products. However, soon it ventured into other areas of sheet metal forming and assembly in 2009. The plant is sprawled over an industrial land measuring more than 57,000 square meters and built-up area of 5,000 square meters. It houses laser plant, sheet metal plant, Design and Development Center for System, Assemblies and Welding Plant having EN 15085 Class 1 International Welding Certification by TÜV Germany. In order to meet ever-increasing product demand, another welding and assembly plant encompassing 3,600 square meters and modern paint shop of 1,000 square meters was constructed. Today, Taikisha Pune has become an original equipment manufacturer, supplying products and services to many renowned multinational companies in India. This feat was achieved by undertaking extensive engineering, world-class technology, and adhering to company quality objectives of customer satisfaction, zero defect products, delivery on time, committed for safety, environment, and continual improvement. Taikisha Pune has robust yet spacious shop floors, providing ample space for processing activities of paint shops, heavy-duty machinery, and material handling. On the technology front, Taikisha possesses latest softwares in its domain, state-of-the-art machineries and equipments imported from Germany, USA, Austria, and Sweden. Taikisha Pune employs around 60 highly experienced engineering personnel for design, development, quality assurance, and manufacturing areas. A skilled contingent of 100 experienced young personnel wields high-quality welding, fabrication, assembly, and logistics. The company handles complex and close-tolerance metal forming and assembly jobs for domestic and international market. The metal forming and assembly job calls for high degree of accuracy and quality equivalent to international standards. Taikisha adheres to ISO 9001-2008 guidelines to incorporate highly professional work environment and health and safety guidelines as per OSHA's 18001. Kaizen activity, customer complaint redressal are also a routine practice at Taikisha. Such organized structure has yielded better productivity and delivered impeccable end products, garnering the most valuable possession, customer satisfaction. As much as it values ergonomics, Taikisha Pune values environment. Tree plantation, Go Green activities form important part of their corporate social responsibility, all in accordance with ISO 14001. Their CSR activity also includes producing wheat once in a year, and total yield is donated to a child orphanage. Taikisha Pune clientele enlists Bombardier Transportation, John Deere, ABB Geneva, GE, Rita, JCB, Kirloskar Oil Engines and others. Their paint shop patrons are auto giants like Maruti Suzuki, Toyota, Mitsubishi, Honda, Daimler, Nissan, Mahindra, Cummins, Tata Motors, Yamaha, Ashok Leyland and Bajaj Auto, to name a few. Accounting to such dedication for quality, conviction for zero-error products, Taikisha has been recognized as one of the best industry in India. No wonder the awards and accolades shelf of Taikisha continues to go on and on. Taikisha's control panel division designs and manufactures electrical switchboard products such as PCC, DBs, MCCs, power factor correction panels, and process control panels for robot and conveyors. Recently, Taikisha Engineering India Limited has set up another plant at Vadodara in Gujarat state to match the pace of ever-flowing orders of sheet metal forming and assembly products from dedicated clientele like ABB India, Bombardier Transportation, Haver, Iboa, Syra, Asia, Integra, Switzerland, Christopia, France, and Ayrton, Germany. As per current stats, Taikisha India acquires more than 80% of market share in Indian automobile sector. Following the footsteps of its parent company, Taikisha Pune's business revenue stats have grown from 8 million to 330 million in a very short span, indicating that Taikisha Pune is determined to reach for the sky.